you know that you can create websites like this, and even better, just by using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we created this interactive 3D website using AI tools without building everything from scratch manually. We'll use Antigravity to build the website, Google Whisk to create our visual, and Higgs Field AI to generate the animation. You can also use other image and video generation tools. The idea is to use whatever works best for your project. Before we start building anything, we need a simple concept for the animation. For this website, we decided to create a rolling ball animation that would eventually become the main interactive element of our website. For inspiration, you can explore platforms like Pinterest or any other design platform and find a visual direction that you like. Once we have the idea, we need our first frame. So we'll use Google Whisk to generate the starting image for our animation. We can experiment with different prompts, camera angles, lighting, and compositions until we get the frame that we actually want. After getting the perfect first frame, we'll take it into Higgs Field AI and turn that still image into a short video animation. You can use any video generative AI for this step, or even create the video yourself if you already have one. And this is what we got. Now, here's where things get interesting. Instead of simply putting this video in the background of our website, we're going to convert the entire video into an image sequence. Every individual frame becomes an image, and this gives us much more control because we can connect those frames directly to the user's scrolling. For our project, we used a 1920 by 1080 image sequence with 361 frames. Once the sequence is ready, we take all of those images and put them into a dedicated folder, which we'll use inside our website project. Now let's open Antigravity. After logging in, we'll open the project folder where we've saved our image sequence and other assets. From here, we can provide our reference image and give Antigravity a detailed prompt describing the website we want to create. And here's something important. AI is not going to create everything perfectly on its own. You are still the designer and the developer. You need to look at the result, find what's wrong, explain it clearly, and keep improving it. That's exactly what we did here. We got our first version of the website, but there was a problem. The background image sequence wasn't animating when we scrolled. So instead of starting over, we identified the problem and asked Antigravity to fix the scroll-to-frame interaction. After a few more tweaks, adjustments, and fixes, we finally got the interaction working the way we wanted. The ball moves as we scroll, the sequence reverses when we scroll back, the opening blur smoothly disappears, and the website elements animate together with the background. And this is the final website we created. What started as a simple idea and a single generated image turned into a complete, interactive web experience using AI. And the best part is, this is just one example. With the right idea, the right prompts, and a little bit of human direction, you can create websites like this, and potentially something even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.